What are cannabinoids? The word cannabinoids refers to every chemical substance, regardless of structure or origin, that joins the cannabinoid receptor of the body and brain that have similar effects to those produced with the cannabis sativa plant. The three types of cannabinoids that people use are recreational, medicinal, and synthetic. Research has found that the cannabis plant produces between 80 and 100 cannabinoids and about 300 cannabinoid chemicals. The two main cannabinoids are tetrahydrocannabinol or THC and cannabidiol CBD. The most commonly known of the two is tetrahydrocannabinol, which is chemical that is responsible for the psychoactive effects of cannabis. The main difference between the two cannabinoids is that THC has strong psychoactive effects, meaning it makes a person high, whereas CBD is thought to have an anti-psychoactive effect that controls or moderates the high caused by the THC. CBD is also thought to reduce some of the other negative effects that people can experience from THC, such as anxiety. Commonly used cannabinoids. The first is betaine hash. It is a relatively new method of administering cannabis that involves the inhalation of highly concentrated tetrahydrocannabinol, the main active chemical in cannabis. Second is cannabis. Cannabis is classified as cannabinoid drug. The exact number of different cannabinoids in the cannabis sativa plant is still being researched. Lastly is the medicinal cannabis. Broadly speaking, medicinal cannabis is cannabis prescribed to relieve the symptoms of medical condition, such as epilepsy.